Thought I'd make a video about how to look after your secateurs, which I don't. You know, they get abused, they get left in the nursery covered in mud, left outside, they go rusty, and then they get loose, so you get gaps in them like this. So these three pairs are just not usable anymore. I've got 2 bypass secateurs and a pair of anvil. These are my good ones, but I don't want to leave them in the nursery, so I'm going to fix these 3. The first thing is to clean them. I'm going to clean them by throwing them in this dishwater. I've washed them all, well, you know, roughly cleaned them a bit, but I've not done anything else to them. I just thought I'd show you how rubbish they are. They just want to separate so they won't can't cut through that. Same thing here, both the anvil secateurs, they're spread apart, can you see it? No, bypass rather, this is the anvil secateurs. Just blunt, it will go through, but it takes a lot of force, so I'm going to sharpen them. Well, this one just needs sharpening, these ones need to be tightened up. The screws on this are too far gone. I need to undo this so I could take this thing out, which then means that I could twist this round. That's what actually tightens that. So I'm going to give up on them. I could put WD-40 on and leave them for a while. This one is much tighter now, you see there's no gap, so it just needs sharpening. There's a tiny bit of a gap, but nothing. Yeah, and this one just needs sharpening, so I'm going to sharpen them, see what happens. So I'm going to use a round chainsaw file on this beveled edge here, and then when I've finished sharpening it, flip it over, use a flat file to take off any burring along this one. I've sharpened them and then taken off the burring along here on the bypass. Same on these anvil secateurs. Don't know if you can see it. Anyway, that edge is sharp, no burrs, and we'll see what happens if I can try and cut something. Let's try this. See, easy. Try that. Much easier. If I can pick it up, where's it gone? There it is. Yeah, so that's them done, ready to be left in the soil and chopping through rocks and stuff for another 6 months. But it saves wrecking my good secateurs. I did these scissors as well while I was at it. Yeah, I forgot to say, you should probably put some oil on it. Might as well oil them, and you do loppers exactly the same as this. That's it.